This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, types of testing. There are two types of testing in like in software. One will be the functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing is nothing but check the application functionality, whether it is working as expected or not. See, let me do. This is a sample. This is a sample application. See, when you click on a given username and password, after clicking on login button, what will be happen, like what the page is getting, like expected page. Maybe see, once we click on login, we got this like web tours, flight button, itinerary, home, sign off, and welcome Jojo. These are the functional testers will be check, like whether the expected page is coming or not. Okay, like functional testers, like somebody will call as a manual testers also. In functional testing, they are the second type also we have, like automation testing, that they can use Selenium and UFT, like that. Okay, non-functional testing. Non-functional testing is like we have performance testing and security testing. Now we can talk about the performance testing. Performance testing, see, in functional testing, what we did, once we log in, once you log in, we can just check the application functionality. Now here in performance testing, when you click on login button, when we click on login button, how much time it is taking to load a page. See, now I click on login button. It took some time, right? We have to find out, we have to measure how much time it is taking to load a page. That is called as a performance testing. See, like we can check it. How we can check it? We can put some load. We can put some load on the application and we can check it. See, performance testing is a systematic test approach to validate the application under load. We should put some load. See, for example, we have an application, like same application. This is a flight booking application. Okay, flight booking application. Like client want to know the response times of clicking on flight button. How much time it is taking when you click on flight button, right? If you like how client want they want to know, like once 10 users are active on the application, how the application is behaving. What we can do generally, like if you are not doing any performance testing, like second option will be like we can give 10 system for the 10 employees, and we can say simultaneously log in the application and try to click on flight and note down the response times, and we can see the application behave, how it is navigating, how much time it is taking. Let us zoom let us zoom in future, like he want to be test with 100 users. 100 users, how it will be possible? Now we have to give 10 laptops, 10 employees, sorry, 100 laptops, 100 laptops, 100 employees. Now 100 employees will be try to log in and click on flight button. Now we have to calculate how much time it is taking. Now client want to be test with 1000. Is it really will be possible to do test with 1000 users with 1000 laptops of the same application at the time? No. So to overcome that issue, we have to use some performance testing tools, and we can do like we can implement the simulate the virtual users on the application, and we can check the application behavior. Okay, with some load. Okay, see, in performance testing, what basically we can check it, right? There are three aspects are there. One is speed. See, speed, capacity, stability. Speed is nothing but when you click on login button, right? With like with how much time it is taking. Okay, how many, like 2 seconds, 1 second, like that. Capacity, how much number, like how many numbers can be handle that application. Let us assume 500 users. Your application can be handle 500 number of users. Okay, stability, how far your application is stable. See, like now, many applications we can saw, right? When you go to the e-commerce, sometimes, right? Sometimes, like we have any big million offers, or Amazon festivals, like that. Not nowadays, like very long back, around in 2015 and 14, I think in big million day, Flipkart got crash. Flipkart got crash, right? Why? Like, see, they didn't expect that much number of users when can act on the application. Suddenly, the number of users came onto the application. That time, the application is uh, not able to handle. So that time, application got crash. After that, till now, we didn't see that news. Why means after that they perform so many performance testings. And like with for example, the application that time, regular time it will be 10k 10k users. They will do into 20k 30k into 30k into 30k, like that they will do. Like in future load, they will expect some future load. Based on that, they will do this some testings. Okay, now stability, how far it is stability, like 1 hour, 2 hour, in intermediately any getting any errors, any like application is not responding, any slowness, those things we can check it. The main aim of performance testing is how the application is responding, how much number of users can be handled, how is stability. Okay, when you are doing the load test with the 500 number of users, 500 number of users, definitely some issues will become. If you don't like if there is any application have issues, like we can like doing the load test. In load test we can see lot of errors, right? Lot of errors. That errors is nothing but bottleneck. Performance testing goal is to find out the performance bottlenecks, like issue is with speed, issue with capacity, issue with stability. Those things we have to find out. Okay, see what will be happen if you're not doing any performance testing and directly you are delivering to the into the production. What will be happen? See, for example, we have so many banking applications we have. Oh, sorry, like we can go for like Gmail or like that. We have one application like attachment. Okay, or functionality we have attachment. See, in the attachment, when you try it, it will be take 10 minutes for 1 MB. 10 minutes for 1 MB file to upload attachment. Like in another we have some other Outlook, like that. It will be take only 10 seconds. Which application you will be prefer? Definitely you will go for the Outlook only, right? So here the end users will be diverting to the another application, that time the client will be lost the business. See, if performance testing is not conducted, then application might face the problems like slowness, If you see any slowness, right, you can't stay like we can't wait 10 minutes to upload 1 MB. Definitely you will try to, is there any other like similar application? Definitely you will try to go with that application. So inconsistency, if you feel any inconsistency on the application, that time customers will be go for the another application, right? That time what will be happen, the further may be result in business loss. The end of the day the client will be lost the business. So every application before going to product prod, you should do the performance testing, and we have to certify this application can be handled with this number of users, with this stability, with this speed, like that we have to certify. Okay, see, performance testing ensure all the bottlenecks must be fixed before the application deployed in production. Before going to production, we should identify the all bottlenecks and we fix the issues. Okay, then only they will move to the prod. This is about the performance testing. See, now coming to the, if you have any questions, we can discuss at the end of the class. We have so many, we have so many applications in like tools in market, like LoadRunner, okay, JMeter, PSTS, like we have lot of, okay, we have lot of like around 10 to 15 tools we have. Why why LoadRunner? Why LoadRunner? Okay, see, most in the market 80 to 90% 90% applications like clients will using the LoadRunner only. Most of the banking applications like financial, banking, these projects will be like use LoadRunner only. Okay, we have JMeter also. JMeter, like it's a LoadRunner is a licensed one. License we have to pay. Okay, we have to pay. That too, LoadRunner will support lot of protocols, like so many, like multiple protocols, like HTTPS, SAP, Citrix, okay, web services, FTP, like that. Okay, coming to the JMeter, this LoadRunner, right? LoadRunner, it is from Micro Focus. Okay, from the Micro Focus, it will be support multiple protocols, and most of the banking and finance institutes they use uh, LoadRunner. Why means it is security, like secure. It's a licensed tool, right? It will be very secure. That too, once you take license, na, for example, if you facing any issue while doing scripting or doing execution, okay, that time like if you are facing any issues, that time we have to communicate with the load on like micro focus team. We are facing some issue, XYZ issue. Can you please help on this? They will like, they will try to come connect with you, and they will try to resolve the issue. That is the like very helping like support 124 by 7 type of support will be there. In JMeter we don't have that much of support. Okay, like in LoadRunner, right? It's licensed, but till 50 users. Okay, till 50 users, it will be free. 50 users, it will be free.
I mean, LoadRunner is a free tool.
No, free, not a free tool. For till 50 users only, it will be free.
Okay, okay,
Okay, like if you want to do the test, for example, if you want to do the test with the 100 number of users,
okay,
that time you should go and take the license
okay.
for 100
I
users.
mean, okay. Just now I joined
Hmm.
HTTPS and SP and Citrix. What is the meaning?
That is a protocol.
Okay,
Protocol. We can next classes like we can know what is protocol. Those things we can discuss it later. Okay.
okay,
If you go with free one, free license one, like we have so many protocols. Okay, but free we can access only few protocols like HTTPS, web services, those things only. Very few. That is the one. Can you please mute someone?
Yeah, LoadRunner is free of cost or expensive tool?
It's a see. That's what I'm saying. LoadRunner is a licensed one, but
License.
till 50 users we can use free.
okay. Free
Till
50
50
users
users.
until how much duration?
uh,
Like 1 month or 2 months?
Lifelong,
Life.
lifelong, lifetime.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Hello. Actually, I have one word. I have one word actually. What is the support means like 24 by 7 means like what it is?
Yeah, see, for example, you are doing some scripting with LoadRunner. You are not able
Okay.
to like record the script. Some like certification for your application, some certification issue will be there. That time you are not able to fix it. You have to raise the request to the like in Micro Focus website. They will communicate with you. Like you are like once you get license, right? That time they will give one ID for you. This candidate is taken
Mhm.
license for this protocol for this number of months or years. Like that, it will details will be there. Once you get register the request there, they will communicate with you and they will try to fix that issue.
Okay.
For example,
I mean, it's a license
when
part.
you're doing the, yeah, when you are trying to execute the test with 100 users, once you take load test license, but test is not running. Something like you did some mistake. If we can fix it. Some issues like configuration issues will be there. Some like while doing installations, right? Some host load runner enterprise installation will be there in a load architecture like in components. That time you don't know what will be happen while doing installation. Some component is missing. You don't know. But when you are trying to trying to do the load test, the test is not running. It is failing. That time you can raise the request, and that guys will become and they will try to like they will try to find out the issue, and they will fix the issue. Okay, this is about the load runner. Okay, now we can go about the load runner component or architecture. Okay, see, actually load runner have a 5 components. Okay, one is Vusion, second will be the controller or PC. Okay, third will be the analysis. Okay, fourth will be the LG, means load generator. Fifth means agent. Okay, we can like try to know the what is Vusion. See, once you got the functionality, like we got one application. Okay, just assume we got one banking application. Okay, in that banking application we have so many business flows, right? Let me find out, let me think about one flow. It is a fund transfer. Okay, for like you want to transfer the amount from X to Y. Okay, X is you, Y is your like your colleague or friend, like that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to launch the application, right? Then login. Okay, then click on funds, fund transfer, then choose account. Okay, fifth, enter amount, then enter OTP. Seven, send or pay, then log off. Okay, this is our business flow. Once you got business flow, we have to sorry, pay. Once you got this flow, like from client, you are working for banking application, you joined there, then they given one business flow, fund transfer flow. You have to do this scripting. Where you can do this scripting, once you install the LoadRunner, we can get the one component. If you see in my desktop, there are three components are there. This one, and this one. Okay, this is virtual user generator. Okay, here, right, by open, by once you click on this one, it will be open like this. It will become like this. Okay, here, right, we have to record the script. We can record the application. We can record the application with that URL. Okay, that is called one component. We can just record the script and replay the script, and we can do the some enhancements with the virtual user generator component, like Vusion. They will call as a Vusion, virtual user. Gen means generator. Okay, your did scripting was done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to do the test. The given client will be given do the test. Once your scripting is done, test with the 10 users. Okay, where you can do the test in Vusion, right? You can replay and record with only one user. You can't do with multiple users. Okay, so controller will come there, like in controller or LRE. LRE is load runner enterprise or performance center. Somebody called as a performance center, Now is everyone like performance center, load, LRE, both are same. Okay. Controller is like we have a free till 50 users, we can use it, but performance center we can't use. Okay. Performance center is fully licensed. In controller it's like till have 50 users we can do the test. I can show you, don't confuse, I can show you later. See, to perform the load test with the like more than one user, if you want to do the test with more than one user, we have to go with controller component. Okay. Next, your test was done, right? Now client was like asking share the results. From where you can share the results? Once the test done, you have to use the analysis component. Analysis component, this is called as analysis component. It analyzes the results. Okay. Load generator, what is the load generator? Okay. See, I told you controller, from controller we can run the load test, but once the scripting is done, this is controller. Okay. Controller, this is LG. LG means load generator. It like name is saying load generator. It simulate the number of users. Okay. See, in controller what you will do, your scripting was done, right? In virtual user, like in Fusion your scripting was done. This script will be upload here. Okay. It will be save all files, like your file will, your script will be save here, and you can run here. You have a run button from in controller, you can just run it, but your script will be run from the load generator. It will be run from the load generator. Load generator is like nothing but one mission, like what we are using, right? Uh, a computer, like a PC, personal computer, like that. It's a mission only. Okay, but it's a highly configured, like configured means in the sense of memory, like 8 GB RAM on CPU, like they use advanced, all advanced. Why means here the capacity of LG is the main major thing. You want to do the test with 100 number of users. First of all, we have to know what is the capacity of LG. For example, your LG have capacity only 50 users, but you are trying to hit the 100 users. It can't support, like it will be, the users will be fail, it will be throw error, CPU and memory like utilization exceeded more than 80%, like that. Okay. So this is the, like from here users will be simulate, and these users will be goes to the controller, and here the users will be run. Okay. But we need some communication between the load generators and controller, that is called as a agent. Okay. It is a communicator between the load generators and controller. Okay. It will be communicate through that one. If you see here, if you see my desktop, see, LoadRunner agent process is running. Okay. This is communicator. Okay. If this is not enabled in your system, if you ran the test, it will be fail, none users will be run. Okay. There are the two types of agents are will be there, we can discuss in later classes. Okay. Any questions in LoadRunner architecture? Yeah.
Sorry,
Can I?
actually,
Yeah.
we have components about like this, right? Same, but when it comes to LoadRunner Cloud, how we'll do that, like there, for the post testing, something like that. Do you have any idea about that?
No, I didn't get chance to work on cloud. Loader cloud, I don't have experience. But the cloud also, like, see, the performance LRE will be the difference. That's it. These components will be the different only. I think that cloud will become under a performance center, not component like Vusion analysis. It's always separate components.
Hi, one question. How we come to know how many users can run in one LG? Is there a way or
It totally depends upon the protocol. If you remember, I say load runner will be support multiple protocols, right? And
yeah,
it's totally depends upon the protocol and the configuration of your LG mission. For example, just assume you are doing the test for web application, right?
okay?
Web
Mm-hmm.
application means it's a HTTPS.
Yeah,
It's like for one user, it will be take around 3 MB,
it's a
3
standard.
MB
Okay,
standard. If you go with SAP, it will be take around one user 100 MB. We have to calculate what is your say, like LG capacity, like for 2 MB, like it's a 2 GB RAM, for just assume 2 GB RAM.
mm-hmm. Okay,
Like 50% of the RAM will be goes for the OS operating, right? How much we have? Only 1 GB left.
yeah,
1 GB means 1024 MB
yeah,
divided by 3. You can calculate number of users. Like that we have to calculate. Okay?
okay.
But
Depends on
50
the
to
memory and
60%.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
50 to 60% we can like leave for the OS operating system. Okay, you
okay,
can't use like 2 GB. If you use 2 GB means how the our OS will be like operating system will be work. We need some space, right? So we can use 50 to 60% for the OS or rest of the for the users. Okay,
okay,
it's totally like it's an interview question. Like most of the people will be asked, how can you know the capacity of your LG? If you don't need, like most of the people, like we can have once you joined in project, right? We there admin team will be there. Performance center, load runner, performance center admin team. Okay, they will tell this is the capacity of the LG. You can don't use more than that 500 users. Don't use more than 200 users, like that they will say. Depending on that one, like we can consider that as a 200. You can put the load. If you don't know, we can do this some scalability, like first gradually we can put 10 users, 20 users, 30 users, 50 users, 60 users, keep on increase until 80% or 60%. You can get the error messages, like warning messages, your LG has exceeded 80%, like that. That time you can consider that is a like capacity of your LG. You can take, for example, 50 users, it is exceeded, you can take as a 40 as a capacity of your system. Why means, like when doing the load test, right? There is a chance to increase more, so we can give less than 50. Okay,
okay,
that is the way.
okay. Also, you said 50 users will be can be run with free, right? With a community edition. So
Yes.
50 licenses basically, right? One license is one user, or with
No,
one
no, no,
license we can run many users,
no, no,
concurrent
no, no.
users,
It's
I
like,
mean.
see, not one user. Once you install it, once you install the load runner components, automatically you can get you can run the test with the 50 users. It's not a one license. You can like put the simulate the more than like till 50 users.
Okay. Okay.
It's not
Okay.
like one license equal to one user, not like that. Huh? Once you install the component, automatically you can get the license till 50 users. If you want to go more than that, then you have to take the license.
Okay. So from there on, if we purchase 10 license, so can we assume we can run 10 concurrent users?
10 license, why? Like you have 50 users free,
No,
right?
I'm
Why?
just for knowledge purposes, I'm asking 50 users. So after that, if we are buying
Uh,
10 users, so we can run 10 concurrent users. So
yeah,
for the cal, okay,
yes.
okay,
Once you take
one license.
license, you can run with one user, or for example, you took for 100 users. Okay, you took for 100 users. You can run from 1 to 100 in between any number of users. In between 1 to
Okay,
100,
okay,
you can't
but
go behind 100.
okay, okay, but the proportion is one license is one user, like that, right?
No, no, no. See, license you can't say. For example, let me open 1 second.
No,
Installation
I
steps.
can get 50 users can be run with community edition that I'm getting. But
Yes.
for the calculation purpose, just for understanding, I'm
See,
asking for,
yeah.
yeah.
No, no. See, you can give like once you installation is done, right? You can run
Mm-hmm.
with the 50 users. That's fine. If you
Mm-hmm.
want to go with 100 users, right? Just assume you can
Mm-hmm.
buy. They will give one license. Like for example, Venkat took a license for the HTTP protocol with 100 users. Okay, they will give one ID. Once you click on that one ID,
Mm-hmm.
you will get 50 number of users more. Means one license equal to here in my case one license equal to 50 users.
Okay. Okay.
Got it, right?
Just
So,
For
add one point.
in your case you are for example, if you want to be the do the test with 200 users. Okay,
okay.
then
Mm-hmm.
in your case one license equal to 200 users. In somebody
Okay.
they want to be like thousand license, they want to do test with the thousand number of users. They will do, they will take license. Then license is only one, but they can access thousand number. One license equal to thousand users.
Okay, I see. So the users should be set when we purchase the license, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick question regarding the license. So you mentioned like if once we get the license, if it is HTTP, so all the you supposed to use same HTTP or we have is there any dependence on protocol
Dependence
wise?
is there. Like the license will be totally depends on the protocol and number of users. The cost will be also vary. For example, your case HTTPS protocol you will choose. The amount will be the very like for example 10K and number of users 1000. In my case, I want the SAP protocol. SAP
Oh,
protocol. They will charge 1 lakh for 10 users only.
okay,
It's
depends on the
totally the
protocol.
license.
Will
Yeah,
charges.
the license totally depends on the protocol and number of users.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
so can you please explain just now calculated like if it is web app HTTP protocol, the standard is 3 Mbps. Some calculation you mentioned right?
Yeah, we can like talk it in next classes. Huh? Like in
Okay.
future, like we will get a chance to execute test right that time
Okay.
definitely I will explain with like how much we can take what is the configuration of your LG, how much you can how many number of users you can put it there. those things we can discuss in later classes.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
Yeah. This is about the load runner
Yeah,
architecture components. Yeah.
yeah. You mentioned like protocol level wise, cost wise, license part. So
Yes.
when we take HTTPS protocol, like we get like
Mm,
1,000 number of users, like 10,000
mm,
cost. And then coming to
mm.
SAP protocol, like 10 users will we need to pay like
Yes.
1 lakh. So how it
Yes.
is?
Yes.
Why the difference?
The difference is like see it's totally the support not only support it's a like configuration will be the different. Okay, see the LG's also we have to install all SAP things we have to install. uh, like it's like they will see most of the people in market, right? 90% of the applications is web applications only. So they will try to like limitations for that one. Choose like everyone is asking for web only, right? So they will give to some less price. It's demand SAP, nobody will be asked for that candidates only. They have to like design and did implementation on the SAP protocol, right? So for the purpose the customers are very less now, so they demanded like that.
So when
Okay,
Venkat,
next.
you just said
uh,
it is expensive tool. Hello,
uh,
am I
yes,
audible?
yes, yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Just now you
yeah.
said that it's an expensive tool. So for our
Yes.
classes, how the lab is going to take place?
See, that's what I said. Now it's a till 50 users will be the free of cost for the web protocol, web HTTPS protocol. The sessions will be all like our training will be goes to the web application only. So you can use do scripting analysis and do the test with the 50 users for practice purpose only. No?
Yeah.
Now I am
What about
using the
Dynatrace and AppDynamics?
that's our licensed that's our all licensed one. Like we I think Anita ma'am will be share the videos. My part will be the give the load runner course end to end. The next
Okay,
part will be
thank
the
you.
about that one only. Now load runner architecture will be done. Now I will do the one recording session, like how we can record and replay the script. Okay. See, this is the Fusion component, a Fusion component where we can record the scripts. Okay, we have one sample application. This is our sample application. Okay, while installing load runner, it will be automatically come. Okay, now I will try to record it. Okay, if I see once like click on new script. Here, see, I said you write protocols. There are so many protocols we have. .NET, Citrix, C user, DNS, FTP, IMAP, Java, Java over HTTP, Java recorder, okay, ODBC, Oracle Tire, Oracle Web. So many we have. But in the SAP Web, SAP GUI, CBEL, True Client, okay. Now I'm choosing this one, web HTTP HTML protocol. Okay, most of the application, all web applications will come under web HTTP and HTML protocol. Okay, now I'm just giving sample one. Here write location. See, this is a script name. Here location where you want to save the file. This is the protocol. Okay, now I choose web protocol sample. I've given sample as a name and I am choosing the script location. Okay, let me choose. Okay, let it be now in documents, views and script. Okay, create. See, once you got this, all the like we action, this is called as a solution untitled. We can in future classes we can know what is runtime settings, parameterization, recording reports. Those things we can we can check it. Now we want to be record the script. How we can record? Here we have a option, record option. Okay, directly you can all this one also you can use it. Okay, now I'm trying to record it. See here, right? If you see here, web browser where you are recording, I am web browser where like in application which like we have so many browsers are there, Microsoft Edge, Chrome, like that. Okay, now I'm recording in Microsoft Edge. URL, you should give the application URL here. Now
Uh,
this is my
actually, go
yeah,
Yeah, but just a moment. Here, web browser, right? For suppose
yes,
if we have desktop applications, then how can we record here?
Windows application. We
Desktop
have
application.
all options. Yeah, Windows application, remote application via LoadRunner proxy, captured traffic files analysis. This will be the like if you know the developer to har file or fiddler, if you know, you can directly take capture uh, those things here also. Okay, like that. You can use this one, a Windows application. Okay, now I choose web browser, Microsoft Edge as a browser. Now I'm giving URL here. Okay, this is the URL. Here so many options are there, recording options, or the tips are there, we can discuss in later classes. Now I'm clicking on start recording. See, like it is asking before recording the script, it we should like close the browser. Okay, if we click OK, automatically the browser will be closed. See, once you click on recording, it automatically it will be open browser. So please all the windows properly. See, this is the one important like a tool in LoadRunner. Okay, LoadRunner, very simple. 90% of the code will be generated by the tool, 90 to 95%. Remaining 5 to 10% only you have to do this some customization. Okay, see, events are getting generated. Once application is loaded fully, we have to go for next step. See here, this is recording option, continue recording, stop, pause. Okay, cancel recording, where you want to record action, init, user end. We have options, we can discuss it later what is action inlet. Okay, create new action, start. Okay, insert start transaction. See, now what I'm saying in few minutes back, performance testing is nothing but check the application response times. I said, right, now I want to click on login button. Right, I want to know how much time it is taking for login page. Once you click on login, how much time it is taking to load a page. Right, for that one what you have to give, some start and end you have to give. Here you have to give, click on transaction name, it is called as a transaction name. I am giving login, I am clicking on login button,
But
right? So I
actually, yeah.
wait,
Sorry to
wait,
interrupt.
one
So
second. Can you please let me complete this recording and I can take your questions. Okay, Just 1 second.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, clicking on OK. See, till now it is in disable mode. Once I click on OK, you can observe. Sorry. You see, okay. Let it be. Click on OK. Okay. Now I'm going to join, like login. Okay. Click on login button. Page is loaded. Okay. Now see, it is enabled. Now your page is loaded successfully, right? Let me close the transaction. Okay. See, once you click on, automatically whatever you given in the insert transaction, it was enabled, it was coming automatically. Click it. Okay. Now I'm going to sign off, so I have to give the start transaction. Okay. Log out. Okay. Page is loaded successfully. Now I have to close the transaction. Okay. Log out. Now scripting, my scenario was recorded successfully. I'm closing that. Stop recording. Once you stop it, the views and script will be generate. See, in action bot, some unwanted thing will become automatically. We have to remove all those things. I can tell you later how it will be. Like we can control, like if we give option don't record it, it will be it won't be recorded. Okay. See, if you observe clearly, see, login, I given login, right? Start transaction, it came automatically. Then see, login, end transaction. Okay. Log out. See, it came automatically. But see, there is no for the launch, for landing of the application. We are not getting. Why? Means we don't have that option. If you once you click on record, right, we don't have option to give start end transaction for the landing of the application. So what we have to do, we can give manually. How we can give? We have options here. Start transaction, launch. Okay. Copy it, and you can give the end of that request. Click on end, start end transaction. Okay, like that. Now I will replay it. Just recorded was done. I will just replay it. Okay. You want to know the response time of launch page, response time of login page, and sign off page, right? Recently I did this all. It will be, sorry. See, it is failing. No worries, we can do it later, that one. Launch, how much time it is taking? 0.46 seconds. Login 0.2. Log out, it was failed, but that time it is taking 0.04. Okay, it is see how many times it was attempted, how many times it was passed. See, this one time we attempted, one time pass, one time attempted, one time pass. Coming to here, log out, one time attempted but failed. Okay, this is the response time of launch, this is the response times of login, this is the logout. Okay, this is the way we can record it and do some enhancements. Okay, now you can ask your question.
One question, like before replaying it, we don't have to do any correlation in that.
Yeah, we require, we later, like in future classes, I can explain all what enhancements like parameterizations, correlations, verification checkpoints, custom code, whatever we need, in next classes I can explain. Just now I can given demo how you can user friendly our tool. I'm just showing you how user friendly our tool is there. Okay.
Okay, and how to install this? Can you please tell?
Yeah, sure. In future, like I will next class, definitely I can show you how to install it, and I can give the
Okay.
Anta ma'am will give access to your that LoadRunner an installation file. You can just download it, and I can in next classes we can discuss those. Mm, anyone
Yeah.
like any question?
Hi, this is Shekhar here.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, suppose I have one desktop application which is in RDP machine. So
Okay.
from local machine to record the RDP machine desktop. Is it possible?
No. I think it's not possible. I'm
I
not
think
sure. I didn't get chance to work on Windows RDP type of Windows based applications, but I think it won't work.
but someone says like it will be possible. Is there any tool?
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
what
different.
I'm not sure. I didn't get chance to work on Windows based applications. My total experience on web applications only.
If you got to know means, can you please let me know?
Yeah, sure. I will check it and I will let you know.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And
Hello.
what is the agenda for the training? You will be covering that in today's session, or
Sorry, come again.
the agenda for the sorry, not the agenda, the course content, basically.
Yeah, course content. I'm like next topic will be the course content only.
Okay.
Uh,
Hello.
Why can't you share the course content today? I mean, we would like to see the course content.
yeah, sure. That one only.
Hello.
So how many days the
Yeah,
course?
it will be take 35 to 40 days.
Hello.
Yes.
Venk sir, I have one doubt.
Mm.
I record the script, but um, events are generating, but script is not generating. What the issue? What will you do?
Like events are generating, but the code script generation is not working. Like you are getting a blank.
Yeah. Um, events are generating, but script is not generating.
That's what, like once you stop the script, right? You are not getting any code in Vusion.
Yeah. But you use in
Yeah,
invoke everything okay, but the script is not generating. What will you do?
that's what we can change the runs, like recording options, like Win98 options will be there, socket level. We can try those options.
Okay.
Okay. See now about is course content. What course I can cover in this training, like in LoadRunner training, like basic architecture of the application. It's like any application have some basic, right? Those architecture I can try to explain it. The introduction of performance testing, like what is the purpose of performance testing? Okay, what we like, what will be the if you don't do any performance testing, what will be happen? And performance testing life cycle. Okay, like what is the proof of concepts, non-functional, how, well, like before going to do the scripting, right, we have to gather some requirements, non-functional requirement gathering. Okay, like what are the critical business flows, with how many number of users we have to do the test, what type of technology they use for develop the application, is there any support team, what about the test data, those things we can cover in non-functional requirement. And test plan, like a test plan is the one sampled like high level test plan I can show you, what will be the content will be there in the test plan. And workload model, very very important, content in performance testing, workload model. And about the load runner, like how to install, what are the components of load runner. Now only we completed these components, what are the load runner components. Okay, record and replay, how to record, how to replay, how to debug, how to do the enhancements. Those things we can cover in introduction of uh, load runner. Okay, then best practices. Okay, like once we recorded the script, we have to do the some enhancements, like we have to give the, see now I told you, we have to find out the response time of the login page, we have to give the transaction names, how we can give transaction names. The transaction name should be the what like naming conversion is important. Okay, understanding the scripting and executing unnecessary request. Now you, if you saw my script, right, we got so many unwanted requests. We have to identify what are the requests are important for us, what are the requests are not required. Those things we can check, like we can discuss in this best practices. uh, Multiple functions, inbuilt functions are there, some functions, website user, web submit data, web receive param, those some like inbuilt functions will be there, we can discuss about that one. Multiple actions, if you go actions, right, in Vusion script we have so many action parts are there. Action, see, these are the action part, what is user in it, what is the action, what is the user end, if you want to create action, are able to create or not. Those things we can cover in that multiple actions, debugging options. Now we are getting error, right, how can we fix this error in debugging. Okay, recording versus replay, what is the differences between recording and replay. Those content like we can cover in best practices in Vusion. Runtime settings, say once you click on it, once you revert script recording, we have to replay whether the script is working fine or not. That time we have to give some important settings will be there. Okay, what is run logic, what pacing time, think time, logs. Okay, proxy settings, those things we can discuss in runtime settings. Okay, while recording we have to choose, we have to choose which mode you want, HTML versus or URL based. Okay, like we can discuss those topics here. Checkpoint, like checkpoint like assertions, if you know a JMeter, right, there is a topic as assertions, like now I opened login into the login, I want to know, like I'm not sure whether that page is loaded or not. We can put some verification checkpoint where like page is loaded or not. If it is not loaded, it will be throw error. If it is successfully loaded, it will be pass. That type of test checks we can put it. Like there are two types of checks, like a test check, image check. Okay, introduction of like some, see like load runner is supported with C language. Okay, supported with C language. Like if you want some customization code in our script, right, we have to use C language. Okay, how to define the variables, type of data, if it requires some like if you it will be sometimes you need to write some if logics in our script, how to implement that one. Okay, select case statement, functions, those things we can cover in the introduction of C language. It's a like we no need to worry, you like anybody don't have any coding languages, it's very simple logic, like we can easily get in on it, like just to one to two to three classes. Okay, like some functions, LR functions will be there, say LR save int, save string, string, LR param, printf, okay, evaluate string, save count, so many things are there, like so many LR functions are there. We can discuss in this content, like LR functions topic. Okay, advanced C language, like C we required, I told you, right, some customization. For example, you need to save some data, you executed your script, you need to save some data in our local, we can implement with the file operations. For example, you need to read some data from your mission to LR script, how can you do read, like that is write a data file, read a data file, those in like topics we will cover in advanced C language. Okay, now very important topic is correlation. What is correlation, types of correlation, what functions we can use. Okay, those things we can cover it, very important. Without doing correlation we can't do our script completion will not be done. We should cover definitely, correlation is very important. It will be take 2 to 3 classes. Parametration is about data, like now we are given the username and password, right? If you are planning to do the test with 100 number of users, now you have to give the 100 users 100 passwords, how can you give? That will become under the parameterization, types of parameterization. Okay, there are the why parameterization is required, types of parameterization, parameters combinations, simulate parameters, best practices, like I can give multiple examples. Okay, controller, once your script is done, parameterization, correlation, everything is done, now we need to do the load test, where we can do in controller. How can we design the scenario, load test, endurance test, scalability test, lot of types of tests we have. In next class we can discuss about this three topics, this types of tests. In scenarios we have like basic schedule, goal, group by scenario, execute load test, runtime settings and SLAs, load generators. Okay, after test completion we have to analyze, like while doing the load test only we can monitor what type of metrics you have to monitor, important metrics, client side and server side metrics we have to monitor. Okay, those things will be covered in monitoring the graphs and messages in control. Later, like once your test is done, we have to analyze the results, whether the response times are within SLA or not, how is the graphs, how is the running user graph, how is the throughput, how is it per second, those things we can check it in analysis. Okay, analyzing the observation, like if you see any identify issues, how can you find out, those things we can analyze and providing the observations. Okay, this planning to load test in an LRE, this thing will be Anita ma'am or Kavita ma'am will share, Kalyani ma'am will share the videos, like it will be around 8 to 10 hours videos will be there, that one they will share. Okay, till this part I can cover it. Later, like I will discuss about this one also, performance testing results. Okay, generate report, download the results generation. Okay, and drafting mail, like you observe one day like issue, how can we drop a mail to the client. Okay, interview questions and answers, and scripting practices on different applications. Now I show you only one application, that is WebTools. We have two more applications. We can work on that application also. This is about the course content. AppD, Dynatrace, that type of course videos will be shared by the Anita ma'am or Kalyani ma'am. Any questions?
Hi Venkat, I have two questions. I already posted in the text messenger. So one is like if I want to know what kind of how to do performance testing if the application hosted on the cloud. So will this training will cover that one?
Like cloud or whatever it may be, we can here, right? We can do the scripting at common. The URL is just changed. That's it. So the physical servers are different. That's it. The entire pod will be the same. Cloud
So
or
mean to
physical,
say that
both.
There is no difference between
There is
like
no difference. It's like for this course, right? See, cloud will be the servers only, like it is in cloud. Rest of things, that script recording, we can do it here only. A test will be do it here only. The observations will be also same. Right, what will be the issue? Like in the application is in cloud, means any issues, like for example, you are doing the test with the 500 number of users. Now but your application has capability 500. Now you are doing test with 700. Automatically that it will be do the scalability. It will be, it is in cloud, right? It will be do scalability. That is the difference. That's it. The rest of things you have to do scripting, we have to find out bottlenecks. Everything will be common in physical or cloud.
yeah, but can we get an high level knowledge if the application is hosted on AWS? So
I think you can check with Kumar sir on that one. Na?
okay.
I didn't cover that topic.
Okay, okay, yeah, got it.
Maybe
So
like if
other thing, like
mother.
if you want to
Uh,
give performance any certification on the performance test, so what kind? So can you please give on that one? After this training, is it possible to give? If it is, so
no,
what kind of the testing? How much? Yeah.
we are not giving any certifications. Huh?
Not you.
Uh,
Like in global,
in
we
global, we
used.
have LoadRunner. Yeah, we have LoadRunner certification. Huh? For that one, if you want a like more details on that one, check with uh, Anita ma'am.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Uh,
Thank you.
Anybody have any questions?
Can you please share these topics to in WhatsApp group?
Sure,
It
sure.
will.
If you are in, you guys are in group, Anita ma'am will give access for everyone. Like you can directly access through YouTube this video, recorded video, and this
Yeah.
content and all everything.
Hi, is
Are you
any
going to share?
assessments given? Sorry,
What?
will there be any assessment given between the classes for the scripting
Assessment.
practice?
Yeah, see, like if you are facing any scripting issues, definitely I can help you. Like if you are facing problem, definitely I can help. After your course also, if you are facing any, like you are trying to doing job, like giving interviews, if you are getting any questions, you can directly reach out me, or you can directly reach out Anita or Kalyani ma'am. Or if you are like after once you join in our company, if you are like getting any problem, like you are not able to fix the script issues, that time also you can call.
No, my question is not that. In
Hmm?
between the classes, do you give any
Hmm?
assessment or homework
Assessment.
like
Okay, okay,
for the scripting
okay.
practice?
He's asking for
Yeah,
practice.
Yeah.
definitely. Like, see, for example, I completed the correlation topic. I will try to, like I can say, go on yourself with a different scenario and do the end-to-end script completion. I can definitely I can give some assessments.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Hi,
my question
Venkat.
is,
So you
You will
said,
are you going to share the class content in the group?
Sorry, come again?
Are you going to share the class content? What you are sharing right now,
Yeah,
you going to put it in the.
yeah, sure, sure. I can share. I can share.
Thank you.
Yeah.
you
so
will
for LR
explain.
alone, what will be the course duration? Like you said, AppDynamics and Dynatrace will be covered by someone else. So for LR, what will be the course duration?
30 to 35 days. That AppDynamics Dynatrace, no classes. They will share the videos.
Okay. So only LoadRunner will be covered by live session.
Yes.
Okay. That will take around 35 classes.
Yeah, 30 to 35. Maximum 40.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you take as like real-time projects?
Yeah, that's what, right? Not real-time project. Actually, we have 3 applications. We will
Own
do the
applications.
practices on that one.
Okay. I mean, like, is that real applications like demo applications?
It's a demo like sample applications. Some one application is there, our like Isha Trainings application. That is real-time application only. We can do practice on that one also.
Okay. Is there any offline classes are available in any location?
Offline, no, I don't have idea. We have to check it with Anita ma'am. You are from Hyderabad?
Yeah, I am from Bangalore.
Okay. Offline courses are not possible.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions or we can drop this session?
So how we can register the course? What is the process for registration and stuff?
You can check with Anita ma'am. Okay, she will ping you like in WhatsApp group the details how you can register. Those things she will ping you tomorrow.
Okay, thank
WhatsApp
you.
group means a DNM group is there.
Yes, yes,
That
yes,
one
yes,
only,
that one.
or else any other is there.
That one only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just one question. Um,
Yeah.
how's the job market with the performance testing? Like, are they current? Most companies require that when they build their softwares. Is there more job opportunities out there?
A lot of opportunities are there. We have, but you don't depend on only on LoadRunner. You should learn both LoadRunner and JMeter. Like see in the market, 80 to 90% of the applications they are using LoadRunner and JMeter. Okay,
Okay.
the client should be expect both LoadRunner and JMeter.
Okay.
If you know both, definitely you will get good opportunity.
Okay. Thank you.
But most of the 90% see in open JMeter is open source na banking applications, only financial applications. They are using they are looking for only LoadRunner.
Okay. How about the other industries? Do they use different testing?
Different product like different application tools are there like
Okay.
Neoload will be there, VSTS will be there, RTP will be there. So many like Silk Performer will be there. So many things are there. Why means like it's secure now. Some of the tools are free tools like open source now, like banking will be the very secure, right? So these guys will be use only LoadRunner. Some e-commerce applications, most of the applications will go for JMeter.
Okay.
Healthcare applications also will be go for JMeter. It's totally depends on the client budget. If they don't have that much of budget, no, they will don't go with LoadRunner. They will go for JMeter. If they have amount like budget, they will go for with LoadRunner only.
Okay. Is one last question? Sorry. Is the
Yeah, no problem.
LoadRunner considered also as a automation tester software, or is it? It's not.
No, it's different.
It's
Automation,
different.
it's not coming under automation. It's a non-functional tester. We will come under non-functional testers. Or somebody will rarely they will call non-functional testers. Most of the people will call performance testers or performance engineers.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I have one question, but maybe it's not related to LoadRunner. One
Okay.
of my friend looking for K6 training. It's like a K6 tool is there. Do
It's
you
a
have any?
K6 is a performance testing tool only. We have
Okay.
in Isha, we have K6 trainings as well. But
You will provide.
I will not provide. Some other trainer will give training on that one.
Can I get their contact number?
Same in that group only. Like Anita will be Isha trainings name will be there. No, you can
Yes.
directly ping them. Otherwise, I can ping you, sir, like Kumar sir number in the chat box. You people will
Okay.
reach out to him.
Okay. Can you please provide that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Venkat.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, team.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.